Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make miso soup noodles. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 4 cups of dashi stock, 2 to 3 tablespoons of your preferred miso paste, and your favorite noodles. Don't forget fresh vegetables like green onions, mushrooms, and perhaps some firm tofu. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable, setting the stage for a delicious meal. Now, let's create the heart of our soup, the dashi broth. Gently heat about 4 cups of dashi stock in a medium pot. It's crucial not to let it boil, as high heat can diminish its delicate umami flavor. Once warm, whisk in 2 to 3 tablespoons of miso paste until it's completely dissolved. This careful step ensures a smooth, flavorful base for your noodles. With our broth ready, it's time for the noodles and toppings. Cook your chosen noodles, whether ramen or udon, in a separate pot according to their package instructions until they are perfectly al dente. While the noodles cook, add your prepared vegetables and protein, such as sliced mushrooms or firm tofu, directly into the simmering miso broth. Ensure everything is heated through but not overcooked, preserving their delightful textures. Finally, it's time to assemble and enjoy your delicious creation. First, place the perfectly cooked noodles into individual serving bowls. Then, generously ladle the warm, flavorful miso broth, along with the vegetables and tofu, over the noodles. For a beautiful finish, garnish with fresh green onions, a perfectly soft-boiled egg, or a sheet of nori. Serve immediately and savor every comforting spoonful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.